And I think especially the younger generation is sending us a very clear message here. They really need Wi-Fi, they want to have Wi-Fi, they love Wi-Fi. So I would say that going with Wi-Fi is the best insurance policy an operator can get in order to keep their core business. Then you have the aspect of the user experience. As you have heard, many have talked about 80% is on Wi-Fi already, and that figure will go up, mostly in the homes, of course. And as Rob this morning put it very elegantly, you need to have Wi-Fi where people live, work, and play. And this is a scary prospect for especially mobile operators, right? They will just have a fraction of the user experience in control with no Wi-Fi services. If they add Wi-Fi services, hotspots, and if they can, hotspots, they will increase that, of course, and increase their relevance. And to really maximize this, you need to have venue Wi-Fi, because that's where people play, right? So this is the simple concept why operators really need to attend to and go Wi-Fi. And to get indoor coverage and support for all devices, of course. And let's face it, a lot of operators today are struggling with their core business. We see very low growth rates and declining ARPU. They spend, I'm now talking about primarily mobile operators, spend 15 to 20% of their revenues yearly just to stand still. That is having the same number of subscribers at the end of the year as they had in the beginning of the year. So, operators really must go Wi-Fi. And Wi-Fi will help them to address all these challenges. Just for the sake of this presentation, let me define what we mean with venue Wi-Fi. When we talk about venue Wi-Fi, we talk about venue in its broadest sense, including enterprises and MGUs, what have you. And it's really guest Wi-Fi services at public places. And operators have a big opportunity to go in here and sell managed Wi-Fi services to those venues. Venue Wi-Fi is really critical for a number of reasons. I talked about revenue growth. Well, providing venue Wi-Fi can be a way for operators to marginally at least increase their revenues or growth. They can also upsell other products, and that's not the marginal change, of course. If they can sell more to the venues, when they go into the venues, get the foot in the door, they can get a lot of monetization from that as well. And they can gain indoor coverage for their subscribers. And there it will have a very, very profound impact on things like churn. So it's an indirect monetization with that. So, if venue Wi-Fi now is so important, do venues want to play ball? Do they really need an operator? That is a very interesting and important question to ask yourself. And I would say the answer is yes, definitely yes. Because venues of today are pressed from 2 points. They have users that are very spoiled with high capacity, good Wi-Fi in their homes, many times. And then in the world we are living right now, you have governments that is pressing on for user registration and legal intercept, whatnot. So I think there will be a second phase of venue Wi-Fi coming, where operators go in and lift this off the heads of the venue owners, so that they can concentrate to what's their core business. I'm pretty sure that that will come very strongly. Then we have the conflict, if you like, between carrier Wi-Fi and venue Wi-Fi. Carrier Wi-Fi is all about secure authentication, secure access, automatic access to the network. Venues don't want that. They want user engagement. So that is, of course, a challenge you have as a service provider. But I tell you, don't worry. it's actually quite possible to bridge those two words together. You can first have secure and automatic login, and then have user engagement through a portal, through SMS, through email, what have you, or through content injection like the friends of us from Portuguese do. It's quite possible, and actually we have already operator studies doing exactly that.